Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. Today we will hopefully finish all the parts that needs to be sandblasted and cleaned and bearing removal and etc. in order to so that we can start to paint them. That's the goal. So let's see what we can accomplish today. Here we have a few of the things that I need to finish the sandblasting on. This one needs to be taped up so I don't destroy this surface treatment. This one will be cut off and I will weld on an AN fitting eventually. This one will get some of the casting marks ground off. And this one is barely started. This one just have a little bit left, and we have all these. So the spindle hubs, they will be circuit gray, and I think I will use the same paint on the shields, these as well, so 4 of them. The hubs, the areas that just need rust protection, they will get a very thin coat of zinc primer. The other areas, after I have pressed in the studs, I will paint the entire backside with the black Foliatec paint. The same goes for this edge, just in case it would ever be visible, and on when the wheel is on. So yeah, but first I need to replace the protective plastic. It's finally possible to see through the glass. There is still this protective layer on top of this plastic, which I will remove later on. Now we can get to sandblasting. So it's getting late. It turns out that the watch that I've been looking at is incorrect. So, but this is what I managed to do today. So the main parts for the power steering pump, as well as this adapter, got sandblasted. I started on this bracket for the power steering pump, but then thought, I think I will do a bit more with the angle grinder perhaps. The cups for the front spindle hubs, they are ready. These I did not work on, but let's see, this is the front right spindle hub. I just need to clean it, press out the bearing, and then it's ready for paint. So that's a big step forward. So starting to look good. So that will be it for this episode. Unfortunately, I need to do a bit more sandblasting as these are not finished. So yeah, what you gonna do? But thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.